Come with me as I create and implement a new enemy for Fast Food Takeover. Today's enemy is going to be a chicken nugget. If you want to support the development of Fast Food Takeover, make sure to check out our shop. You can also support for free. Just hit that like button. And make sure to comment any fast food you would like to see as enemies. To get started, we first need to give our enemy a few values. We need to give it a chance of spawning during that wave, a max health, a current health, the speed at which it will move, and the sprite that will be used to display our new enemy. Now that we have passed a few values, we need to update our wave function. This includes the chance of it spawning and its health increasing each wave. Here's where we actually create our enemy. We need to pass it its values, a spawn location, and what type of enemy it is. I want our enemy to be special, so instead of just creating 1, let's create 6. We don't want them spawning on top of each other, so let's give them a little offset. Here's our first test of the code, and we did something wrong. Let's try that again. Okay, it looks like they're spawning, but not in groups of 6 like I expected. Instead of trying to create all the enemies at once, let's instead loop through and create them individually. Okay, there seem to be a lot more chicken nuggets spawning, but I don't understand why they're still not in groups of 6. I'm assuming it's because there's a delay with the instantiate function in Unity. To account for this, let's deactivate each enemy every time they're spawned until all 6 are spawned, and then we'll show them to the player as one whole group. Okay, well that definitely didn't work. The issue appears to be that I was clearing the list within the loop, but the nuggets still aren't spawning as a group of 6. I was accidentally giving it a new spawn position every time we created a new enemy. Now that I've fixed this, it appears to be spawning in groups of 6. However, I'm still not happy with this. I want our enemies to be spawning in more of like a grid shape. After doing some math, we can now see that the chicken nuggets are spawning in a 2x3 grid. I think this is much more visually pleasing because you can see each individual nugget, but they still look like a group. If you made it to this part of the video, make sure to like and hit that follow button. If you want to see your favorite fast food item implemented into Fast Food Takeover, make sure to leave a comment and tell me why you want to see it. Stay tuned for some more Fast Food Takeover content.